come into this week because of what we saw today. And to me, this is like I was expecting a move like this down. I didn't know when we were going to get it, but I was expecting it probably this week, just because we were forming this higher time frame SMT. And I actually gave this in my in the weekly outlook. I've been waiting for like a move lower to show us we actually might start trading lower. But let me delete all this drawings down here. So we had this SMT formed. We've been having this SMT the past few days, and pre-market, I didn't trade today, but I was looking at pre-market. I was just I didn't wake up, so I was looking last night. But off the daily open, we started trading higher. We didn't really sweep out any high, which, to be honest, would have been ideal, so we could have a higher time frame power of 3, but price never set that was a high. But I think we did have a SMT with this candle. Yes, we had the SMT with this candle. So higher time frame, we had a SMT. Or actually, no, NQ swept. Did it sweep that candle? It did. It just barely swept. But we have SMT with this candle here. Okay, so we did have SMT. It's with this candle. So we had SMT pre-market. That's the candle. And pretty much off that SMT, we were trading lower. We formed this 1 hour imbalance on NQ and ES, and off that, off that 9:30 a.m. open, price opened up right here, traded into that hourly, which supported us lower, and you could have targeted that Asian low. Price action was kind of ass until FOMC. I'm just looking at this, like looking at it was very rangy, and then up until 2 p.m. price just died and dropped fucking 4,000 ticks. A whole weekly range in 2 hours. That's crazy. Blue might say it's just latest week's extra from US. The 1.8 across 3 accounts we did an AM before open. So you went short an AM. We did an AM before open. What do you mean we did an AM before? You made 1.8 across 3 accounts in the AM session before market open? Is what I'm assuming. But for tomorrow, pretty much, we do have news tomorrow. I know that. We have unemployment claims tomorrow. So tomorrow I want to see us refill this foreign balance. To be honest, for price to fill like OTE of this imbalance is very unlikely, as OTE of this imbalance is probably a good couple thousand ticks away. 2,000 ticks away. It's not happening. So I want to see how tomorrow plays out. We're either going to be looking for longs back into the previous day's range, or we might just start selling off again tomorrow. Just more shorts down to these lows here, as these lows were the lows I was looking to take out. Last week, actually, I wanted to see a bearish week last week, but we got this week. I actually gave this. I gave that draw a minute ago.
This is why you're cooked, bro. You're fucking doing recaps at 12 a.m., bro.
Where was it? Fuck, where did I say that? Yeah, I know, bro. Cooked.
You gotta get your sleep schedule, bro.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Bro, I'm fucking on demo for the rest of the year, bro.
Yeah. But for tomorrow, either I'm looking at two things. We continue selling off down to these lows here, or we refill the previous day's range, which I could see happening too.
Yeah, I would honestly say though the rest of the week is low probability, just because.
I don't know. We could. I don't. Typically after a day like this, we just see a fucking continuous sell off, like just like something like that. This is like a crazy death candle, or we see we're tracing back into the previous day's range. I'm gonna have to see how we form overnight and see if we have like a SMT overnight to help determine that. But the overnight session will help determine what we will see tomorrow. But those are the two scenarios: is refill the previous day's range or continue selling.
See how many members do we even